Alright, we got a CSX westbound train coming down the line. We're at Depew, New York. Before we get to this video, we want to give this video a big thumbs, subscribe and turn on post notifications, and let's get some trains right now. There's the first one. So I'm going to tell you the engine numbers because like I can't see. So we got 7219. And 895. So we just got there, I almost missed that train. He is sure going slow. So I don't think the symbol is CSX I-333. I think it's like CSX I-157 because like I checked the camera from Fairport, then I-333 just came and like, so it looked like it has to be an I-157. I think. And he usually looks pretty late too. I don't even know. He runs in like in the mornings. Maybe he stops in the yard. Maybe I didn't think it goes from like. I don't even know, but this looks along an I-157. You really want to stop the train. Due to these signals, I think the train, that's the reason why the train is stopping right now. So I think I see the end, so that's probably the symbol. So symbol on that train is CSX I-157. The I-157 originates from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania at the Greenwich yard and heads west to North Baltimore, Ohio, where it terminates on this Friday, December 15th, 2023 by Brendan the Railfanning on YouTube. Here comes the next video, roll it. Alright, we got another CSX train down the line. That'll be our second train of the day. Symbol on that train is CSX IO19. That'll look like the new symbols from the CSX symbols. Well, it looks brand new when you caught it today. The IO19 originates from Worcester, Massachusetts, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at Bedford Park. Similar to the IO17, but the IO17 runs a little earlier than that. On to the next train clip. Roll it.